Hello, my name is Polly Jean Harrison and we are here in Amsterdam at Money20. Why don't you introduce yourself for us, please?
Hi, yeah, my name's Steve Allen. I'm the Head of Relationship Management here at Junction, which is a company based out of London, but we've got different sites in Poland and Latvia. Quite a fast-growing company at the moment. Me and my team, the team that I lead, we look after all the clients that we've got on board, with Junction.
Amazing stuff. And how are you finding Money 2020 so far? We're about halfway through now, so how's it been?
Halfway through. It's been steady. It's my third time at Money 2020. We came 2 years ago where we didn't take a stand, so we're in the crowd.
Yeah.
Just trying to understand and get the scale of the place. It's like Glastonbury for Fintech companies. And then last year we took our first stand here, and we decided to invest and go into the main hall. So this is the first time we've been in what we described as the main hall, but it's changed quite a lot. Yeah. I would say there's more stands than I've ever seen, but I feel it's more spread out as well. So I've been saying to people that probably I'd say maybe 10% more stands, more companies here, but 30% more floor space.
I've definitely get my steps in.
So we're getting our steps
like,
in.
Honestly, everyone I speak to is like, yeah, Christ, the steps.
Yeah.
I mean, so tell me more about Junction then. What makes you unique?
What makes us unique? So our clients are here on the stands. So what we do is we provide financial services to people who provide financial services. Right. So we onboard and give accounts to EMIs, to banks, to remittance companies, to digital asset providers, card acquirers. So if you're a regulated, licensed, well-behaved, onshore financial institution, with good processes, good procedures, then Junction would love to speak to you, give you accounts, so that you can then transact with your own customers. So we're a little bit different in that, as an EMI in the UK licensed under the FCA, we can trade with individuals, we can open accounts for businesses, but we prefer to just restrict ourselves, but concentrate on serving the fintech sector.
Yeah, amazing. And I guess, we're in June, we're about halfway through the year now. How's 2024 been for you so far?
2024, I think it's been quite steady actually. It's been a period of stability. It feels like we're kind of holding our breath, waiting for some regulatory changes that are coming on later in the year. And we're also working very, very hard in expanding our product offering to our clients. So we've got a really, a very fast expanding product team that are out there now just talking to everybody and anybody so that we can, strategically acquire extra currencies, different jurisdictions and different services for our clients. So that's our number one, I think, target for this year is to expand our offering.
Amazing, that sounds fantastic. I guess thinking just about the fintech industry as a whole then, I mean, what are you seeing at the moment? What's exciting you? Are there any trends that have emerged so far that you're thinking are quite interesting?
I think it's the word that gets used most in the corridors of Junction is regulation, is compliance, is particularly the matters around fraud. Sure. So that's been the biggest thing that we're concentrating on, making sure that all the policies and procedures of our clients are strong enough, and also with the upcoming legislation that's planned in October, just keeping a really close eye on that and what that's going to mean for us and for our sector, because that could be a really, really, really big change. Yeah. Other than that, we see there's been a lot of change in maybe our peer group in the industry, people who do similar things to what we do. And what we are as an organisation, I think we appreciate where we are. We are independently financed. We're stable from that point of view. We haven't gone out for any investment or any funding rounds. So all the capital, we're profitable as a business. We're able to invest in ourselves, and we've got a really sort of stable management team, stable board. And that's, I think, what we're enjoying at Junction the most, is that everything is, kind of within our own control, if you like to say.
Awesome. No, that sounds great. I mean, obviously you just mentioned regulation, but are there any other sort of challenges you're seeing on the horizon coming in, or is it just regulation? Regulation, yes. What we're trying to do is also innovate within the space. Mm-hmm. We acquired a digital asset company in the UK with a license from the FCA. And what we're looking to do is to
almost replicate the SWIFT network, but using stable coins as a way that some of our, not to become an exchange like some of our clients are and compete with them. No, what we want to do is to complement the SWIFT network so that remittance companies who want to get funds to far-flung places, difficult jurisdictions, difficult countries, can use our crypto network to get funds around the world. So that we're hoping to get that launched at some point, hopefully this year. And that's going to be a really interesting offering to really open up and fundamentally service that sector.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, do you have anything else on the roadmap for the next 12 months that's coming up?
I like to be cautious with, certainly because we're managing the clients, we're speaking to the clients. We have to ask them what they want, but then that creates a certain amount of expectation. So it's managing that whole thing. But the product team is certainly working on, for example, quite an interesting offering for Scandinavia. So if you're a Clear Junction client and you have a requirement for Scandinavian payouts, let us know. But also, yeah, so it's things like that. Also, as I say, the remittance stablecoin offering. And we've just recently expanded our US dollar services. So that's a really exciting time for us on that front too. So yeah, it's good.
Well, thank you so much for your time today. It's been great to chat.
Yeah, lovely. Thank you very much.